Hi, I'm Hemendra. I'm from Sandbot, Australia. We're going to be at Melbourne Home Show. Let me introduce you to a cool home automation robots, Sandbot.
Hello, Hemendra.
Hello, Sandbot. How are you today?
Very good, thank you. How about you?
I'm very good. Would you like to tell our home show viewers something about yourself, please?
Certainly. I can recognize your face, and I can talk to you. My body is completely covered in sensors, and upon touch I will react. I can detect humans and give them attention. I avoid objects when I move around, and kids are safe around me. You can operate me remotely to monitor your kids while they are at work. Just so that you know that I am a security guard too. You can come to Melbourne Home Show and say hello to me. That is when I can tell you a lot more about me.
One of the cool features of Sandbot is it's got a projector at the back of its head. You can play videos or you can play games on it. It has also got artificial intelligence that's been provided by IBM Watson. For instance, hi Sandbot,
Hello.
what is the weather like in Melbourne today?
The weather in Melbourne today is 18 degrees and cloudy. There may be a chance of rain. I suggest you take an umbrella if you are leaving the house.
Other cool features of Sandbot includes controlling the smart devices at home, such as refrigerator, TV, lights. Other than that, it can also do security at your home while you're away. You can monitor your kids while you're at work by remotely operating it as well. For more information, please come visit us at Melbourne Home Show. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.